this is while extinguishers training. What we will do is to follow the path. In case of fire, what we will do? We will follow the race. This protocol. Okay? So there are several types of fire. There are several types of fire. One is, the first one is the class A fire, class B, class C, class D, and the class A fire. So sample of these fires for class A is the flammable solids that you see. Clothing, paper, wood, rubber, whatever. Grasses, dry grasses, that is flammable solids. Then class B fire, flammable liquids. The gasoline, what else? In the hospital we have hand sanitizer and alcohol. In the lab we have a lot of chemicals. Then class C fire is the energized electrical equipment that same like we are using here. We have computers inside. We have monitors. Okay, that equipped with batteries. Then class D fire is industrialized fire. Okay? Or what we call the one we are using in industrialized areas. Okay? Then what else? The class K fire, most common fire. The class K fire is kitchen fire. Okay? So our purpose, the aim of this training, the purpose is to extinguish the fire on its base. From this side. Okay? On its base. Okay? From the base of a fire. So, what we will use the laser training. So you can see if it's your extinguishing training is good or not good. Okay? Now, extinguishers only last for 10 to 20 seconds maximum, regardless of its capacity. This is done 1 minute. Okay? What we will do, pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, so squeeze this handle, wait, squeeze this handle, then swing from this side to side, okay? Okay? So just try one by one. So this is the fire extinguisher training. So what we have to do is follow the pass procedure. What is pass? Pull the pin, aim at the base of fire, squeeze the handle, then switch side to side. So by the way, fire extinguishers only last for 10 to 20 seconds maximum, regardless of its capacity. Okay, or less than 1 minute. So what we have to do is to extinguish the fire. The aim of this training is to extinguish the fire through this, the base. Okay? This base. So there are several types of fire extinguishers. So there are classifications. One is class A, class B, class C, class D, and class K. So class A fire consists of flammable solids. These flammable solids are what we call the rubber, plastic, glasses, wire glasses, like this. Okay? So just put your bags there. Okay? Then sign it here. Okay? So let's go there. Just we will start again. So this fire extinguisher training is what we call how to follow the pass. Fire extinguishers only last for 10 to 20 seconds. Maximum less than 1 minute, regardless of its capacity. Okay? If you extinguish the fire, the distance between you and the fire should be at least 2 to 3 meters maximum. Okay? There are several types of fires. So there are classes. One is class A, class B, class C, class D, and class D fire. Okay? Class D5 consists of flammable solids. The papers, woods, our clothing, covers. These are samples of flammable solids. Then class B5 consists of what you call flammable liquids. Okay, like gasoline, like your hand sanitizer inside the hospital, your alcohol here, alcohol. Okay, that's highly flammable. What you call the laboratory chemicals. Okay, then classifiers. Classifiers is what? Energized electrical equipment. Okay. Then class D, industrialized fires. Okay, or the flammable metals. Okay. One example of that one is the propane, oxygen, or oxyacetylene use. Okay. Or what we call welding machines. Then, most common fires in the world, most common that occurs, the class K, fires coming from the kitchen. Most of the time, we have in our society, fires mostly occurs because some people, we cook unattendedly. Okay? So your aim is to focus on the base of the fire. So here, at least 3 of you will demonstrate how to sing this. I will just choose one of you, okay? At least 3. Okay? I will choose first, the big one, and the last. Okay? So hold the pin. The process is how you follow the path. Hold the pin, aim at the base, okay? Squeeze the handle, this handle, then swing side to side. Your aim is to focus on that area, okay? This area, okay? So, let's try power angles first, okay? Let's wait, huh?
First of all, you have to the field, okay, but you have to take at least this side, okay. After that, aim at the base of the
Base of the fire.
base of the fire. This is the base. This is the base. Yeah. Just this way, okay. Then. Right? Then start. Okay? Should I start?
Just try, huh?
Check, huh?
The pin, aim, skew.
Class, done. Okay? You see?
Have to away at least 6 foot from the fire, okay?
Fire.
Okay, start. There's no yet fire started, so just wait. Okay, there's another one. Okay.
So you should have to finish this in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, because the cylinder size only is only 2 meters. Okay, that's why you should have to finish 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, next.
So the aim of this training is to extinguish the fire on the base. Okay? Just wait, wait. Okay. Just wait, wait. Okay. Start. Okay. Done. Next. Just keep it, put it back. Just wait for the fire to occur, okay? Okay. Ready? More, more, more. There's still. Okay. 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 Just wait, huh? Start. Okay, done. So, next. Put it back. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Start. Okay. See? Nice one. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. That's it. So thank you.
So class A type fire basically for the paper, wood, like this. So class B type flammable liquid, which we are using in the hospital, like alcohol and other flammables. Okay, acid also. So class C type. Class C type it's electrical equipment. And the class C type we are not using in the hospital. It's using for the factory, industrial area, and we have also class K type. Class K type we are using in the kitchen. That is wet chemicals. Okay. So if the fire occurred, you should have to follow the pass procedure. Okay. The pass procedure. Pass stands for pull the pin. Aim at the base of the fire. Where is the base? That is the base. Okay. So you should have to extinguish here. Okay. Then squeeze the handle, and swing side to side. But you always remember that you should have to at least away from the fire at least 2 meters. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. We'll do first. Here, the source of fire. Where? It's coming from here. So you should have